The city of Redlands is a small town with a big town feel, and we strive to maintain local residents' quality of life. To preserve public safety, city services, and local infrastructure, the Redlands City Council recently voted to place Measure T, a 1-cent sales tax measure, on the November 2020 ballot. If approved by a majority of local voters, Measure T would address needs across our community, such as addressing homelessness, maintaining neighborhood police patrols and fire protection services, and keeping parks and public areas clean, safe, and well-maintained. As one of the few cities in the county with its own police and fire departments, we know that our police and firefighters will be available when needed and not diverted to service other cities. However, calls for 911 emergencies and fire risks are all much higher than in the past, and Redlands has fewer police officers and firefighter paramedics today than 10 years ago. Without adequate resources, Redlands fire response times are 3 minutes and 30 seconds over the national average, and Redlands police response time has increased by almost 3 minutes in 4 years. The city also needs to fix its aging infrastructure and keep up with regular repairs, which, when not addressed, become a lot more expensive in the future. In fact, there are approximately 12 miles of sidewalk and 15 miles of curbs and gutters that are damaged or missing and require repair. The scope of Redlands' needs is greater than the current resources available. Despite being fiscally conservative, the city is now facing a $5.6 million budget shortfall that is expected to widen in the future due to the current economic climate. Measure T would provide locally controlled funding to maintain city services and help prevent more severe budget cuts. An independent citizens oversight committee and annual audits would ensure Measure T funds are spent properly. No funds could be taken away by the state. Essential purchases like groceries and prescription medicine are exempt from sales tax. Measure T will be on the November 3, 2020 ballot. Whether or not you typically vote at the polls, all registered voters will receive a ballot in the mail the week of October 5th. Go to the link on the screen to learn more about Measure T.